Hey guys, welcome to Supercars of America. Today's a special day. Me and my friend and my dad are going to our first ever Cars and Coffee event. So let's get in the car, pick up my friend, and let's go to Cars and Coffee. We have arrived. There's my friend and there's my dad.
Like a jazz thing
And we've already found awesome cars.
And so when we were like eating dinner.
So let's see what we can find.
These convertible with like the hydraulic thing.
There's this awesome car. There's that. There's that. And then some awesome Subarus. Shelby Cobra GT500. Pretty awesome. The new one, which is better than the old one.
No, it's not.
Oh my gosh. Dad, there's a Ford GT down here.
Oh my god, there's a Ford GT!
And a Shelby Cobra.
Where's the Cobra?
Right there, in between.
Oh my god, it's a
We're going.
427!
And there's a Porsche. And a GTR.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, and there's an Aston Martin down here.
Yeah, that's how they can go 427.
Oh my gosh. Best thing that ever happened to me. So there's a Ford GT here, which is very awesome. And there's a Shelby Cobra here, and a new Shelby Cobra, or Shelby GT500. Then there's a Bentley and an Aston Martin down here. And there's a wicked looking GT3 RS over here. This is the best day of my life right now.
It's a 427.
Isn't the 427 your dream car, Jeffrey?
Nope.
And then there's over there, zoom in a bit, there's a Mach 1 Mustang.
Oh, it'd be awesome if somebody had a hardtop one here.
Yeah.
Because they don't have, they're not.
There's also a Lamborghini Gallardo Spider over here. Let's see if we can see it move. Oh, here we go. This is the best day of me and Jeffrey's life, I think. Wait a minute. Is that an old Ferrari over behind it? Looks like it. Yeah.
But it's great.
Yeah, but it's a classic Ferrari. Can't beat a classic Ferrari, can you?
Yes.
It is? It doesn't look like the Ferrari symbol.
No, I said you can beat it.
Oh yeah. Listen to that Gallardo.
How you doing? Pretty good. This one's not exactly.
Found an old Jag. And then another old Jag. This is clearly the best day of my life. 69? Look at that engine. So we found this old Corvette, and it's the 60-second pace car of the Indy 500. This is the best day ever to ever happen to me. What do you think, Jeffrey? What do you think, Dad?
Yeah.
awesome. That
We could if you're not busy. Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah, so yeah, make sure it's open.
Yeah, I'll look at it.
so Bentley, Aston Martin, GTR, Gallardo Spider. Martini livery 911. Oh, what's starting up here? It's the Aston Martin.
Maybe Aston makes the best noise in my opinion.
It's carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber GT3 RS hood.
It's not. Yeah, I was gonna say it's not the whole thing. It's just a hood.
I got carbon fiber on my PS4. They could be twins.
How expensive? What is it? Real?
Yeah, real.
Oh, how expensive is that?
I don't know.
What?
Well, this definitely stood out to us, I think.
What is this?
It looks like a, what is it?
300G Nissan.
Very sparkly.
Very bright too. So we looked around the cars and coffee thing, saw some awesome cars. There's something revving over there. And me and my friend Jeffrey are heading to a classic car dealership to see what they have. So me and Jeffrey just arrived at the second place we're going to today. It's called the Fast Lane Classic Cars. And as you can tell, it's loaded with classic cars. So we're heading straight in.
So once we go through here, I gotta show you the GT500. It's so cool.
Because as you can tell, Jeffrey loves classic cars.
Are we gonna be on YouTube? Or is this Facebook?
I have no idea what it's gonna be.
You know, oh, you're still working on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, help yourself. This building's got about 35, 40 cars in it.
Okay.
They got a little gas station mock-up across the street. That's our cleanup place. There's 5 or 6 cars there. The other building behind here has got probably 35 or 40 cars in there. And that's where more of his collections at, other things that he collects, you know, like
Okay.
old machinery, obviously neon signs. There's a gift shop in the other place. And then right above that is the repair shop. And there's a few Corvettes there.
Okay.
Do you still have the GT500?
No. Totally. You're talking about are you talking about the newest one or the old one? Oh, the old one? No, that's it. It's usually hidden. But it's not here today. I don't know what it's out for. I would have been here today. I've known him for 20 years. I don't know if he takes home the high school garage. I didn't see it.
So this over here
We got a red Mustang.
this is what originated NASCAR right here. Do you remember I told you they would hide the illegal booze in the back and get chased from cops?
Red Mustang.
Where's the red Mustang? Over here. Oh my gosh, Jeffrey, they got an old Mini.
Oh, I guess this one's still in.
I love the Mini. That's an awesome Mini.
I don't think this one's quite ready yet.
Yeah, I don't think that is either. But it still looks good from the outside, and that's what matters.
Yeah, they still got the body.
Ford Galaxy. They got a... What else? Oh, they got a GMC 100 pickup. Which kind of looks like a Chevy 1000 something. It's over there. There's the Chevy truck.
Man, look how huge this thing is.
I know. We're now in the second building of Fast Lane Classic Cars, and there's a racing Shelby Cobra. Number 98 over there. What?
$24,000.
Where?
This one right here.
Oh.